Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Sharesale, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with Sharesale, start by visiting the Sharesale website. On the home page, locate and click on the affiliate link. This will direct you to the affiliate program information page. Scroll down to find the Join Now button. Click on that button to begin the registration process. You will be redirected to the registration form. Fill in all required fields including your first name, last name, and email address. Create a unique username that you will use to log in. Choose a secure password and confirm it by entering it again. Next, provide your mailing address, including street, city, state, and zip code. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Proceed by entering your phone number for account verification. In the next section, describe how you plan to promote products. This could include websites, blogs, or social media platforms you use. Share your experience with affiliate marketing, if any. Indicate how you found out about Sharesale. Review the terms and conditions thoroughly. Once you're familiar with the terms, agree to them by checking the box. Then, click the Join Sharesale button to submit your application. You will receive a confirmation email to verify your account. Check your email and click the verification link included. This will return you to the Sharesale site. Log in using the username and password you created earlier. Your application will now be reviewed by Sharesale. You will receive a notification once your account is approved. Once approved, you can log in and start browsing merchant programs. Select the programs you wish to join and apply for them. You can now begin promoting products and earning commissions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.